So here we are in Ava's room. The air conditioning or heating unit, HVAC unit, is on. If you can hear, it's actually vibrating this chandelier. I'm going to take you out on the roof and you'll be able to hear more. In this room, you can hear the water heating unit, the recirc pump, and the air conditioner. This bedroom is now unusable for guests. Nobody can sleep in here. That is all coming from inside of here.